says she won't work the way that I want. It don't matter cause I want you the most. And if I can't be close to you, no matter what I try to do.
Hello!
Hi.
We're here in Glasgow.
Glasgow.
Look at the beautiful view.
Why don't I kept saying Glasgow? Why? It's an O, so it should be go.
It's Glasgow. We are blessed with amazing weather. It's actually really comfortable out today. God, just so many people.
If I don't make it tonight, then luckily there's always tomorrow in my formula. 오늘은 공을 찾을게. Formula. 너만 이기게 가능해.
There.
Thank you.
Wait, look, there, go.
Okay, bye.
Wait, no, keep going, go, go.
It's orange outside, and I feel it when
What? I can order.
I'll go with you.
What do you want? This one.
I was just pulling out that alchemy, and just like that be a finale. But I miss one thing, and you know it's gotta be you. 오면 돼 그냥 빨리. And I'ma go keep looking for you till dawn. Cause I guess my plan or whatever is all about you, my baby. It's not enough if you can be next to me.
It's fruity. Actually, already tried it. He gave me free tasting pala.
오늘은 공을 찾을게. 너만 이기게 가능해.
I've been acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant.
Saint Mungo's.
Oh, it's a Harry Potter.
I thought you were gonna start singing. So right now we're here.
Here.
That's over there. And then we're gonna head to the necropolis. We're here at the Glasgow necropolis.
Wow, look at that. What is
Castaway,
Dang, it's so pretty. Oh.
according to the size, it's the original
those
size.
strangers in the sky. Always in blue, always in
I really hope
for an infatuated life. Although it hurts me, be with you. I'm always in blue, always in blue.
A blue bell. We are at, where are we?
Celentano.
Salentano's. Recommendation by Michelin.
Celentanos. Not really, I just saw it from Karina.
But yeah, we walked away. So why let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's get some lunch.
At our fingertips, the autumn to discover. If I would have had the worthiness to be the perfect lover, would you stay under the willow tree when I asked if you would be? Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Still I lie within the memory, devoted as your lover. You could take my hands and cover your eyes.
to say that again for me. Who was in your car?
Sam Hagen.
No, and you have a
Yeah.
photo with him.
Yeah, I'll show you one.
Oh, amazing! He sat where I sat. Pero kilig ko.
Let me find
The famous car.
the famous Sam Hagen car.
That's right.
So that's Outlander.
Yes.
Is he really Scottish?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
He stays in Bishop Briggs. He stays not far away from here.
Oh.
So let me find.
Jamie is so close.
Does he know we're here?
Let me find them.
So you've been on the show.
Yeah, yeah. Look, 94,000 hits. That's me.
Wow.
And that was the first season. That's Outlander.
Yes.
I'm in that book. See that book there? Outlander the series?
Yes.
The Sam. That's me in the programme.
No, I've seen this.
That's the first episode
Yes,
when they
yes.
walked in, yeah.
There
there's
he
me.
is. Yeah.
There's
Oh,
him.
there you go.
So that's me and that's Sam.
Oh. Hello.
And if you look, the very first episode, the very first series, 7 minutes, that's me walking down the
There
street,
you go.
kidding cigarette and all that, yeah?
I'm gonna be sure to rewatch the show.
So they really shot
Find it
here?
7
See that?
minutes in.
See that book? That book is out just now. You can buy it on like, Amazon and things.
Yes.
So that book there, Outlander, the official guide to seasons 1 and 2, and that's me walking down the street with my dog.
So you're actually also famous.
That's right. That's right.
A wee bit.
Thank you for indulging me.
94,000 hits.
94,000's nothing to sneeze at.
Have a look about.
So we're actually on our way to dinner, but he said that this Stirling Castle was a quick stop. So we're here. We have time for a few quick photos before the place closes. But this is so nice. Oh my goodness, look at that. And look at that view. Go, pakuyog. You want? You want? Mangutan ako. Do you think we could get a photo with you?
Yeah, absolutely.
It seriously is like we're on some kind of Bridgerton set, no? This place is amazing. Oh my gosh, this place is gorgeous. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is definitely what I want.
Kefir in-house. Honey, have you had a honeyberry before? No. It's similar to a blueberry, but it's longer and slightly sweeter. It's somewhere between a whiskey highball and a pina colada. There's coconut water.
Things I love.
And then we have a tomato, just in here, which is a lighter, easier going version of a Bloody Mary.
Thank you so much. It's good. I like it. I like it, but it's really my type. The more they gave us a little card, so we know what's in our drink.
Oh, I love it.
And we have the beautiful illustration. Yes, I'm taking this. This is beautiful. Thank you. There's a freaking ballroom. Asa ka maminyo. Dali, day. Welcome to your future. This is your future wedding venue. I'm manifesting it for you. My gosh, this place. Can I just say, everything here is so beautiful. Like, I went to the toilet. It's one of those, like, you walk in, all marble, purple and light pink everywhere. And then like a little couch. Oh my gosh. And then? This is so nice. I walked in the room. It's so nice.
Can we go back after?
Picture to the new place. Literally, I'm like peeing, but the whole time I'm peeing, I'm like, wow, it's so pretty. Igno kayo,
It's like
paklaro.
your birthday.
Anyway, I want to try the... I'm so glad.
So for your next canapes, this is our cone. And it's got some turbot raw emulsion, a little bit of marine mustard, some nori powder, very, very fine seaweed seasoning, and a wee borage leaf as well.
Wow. Is that in leaf? It's so cute, look. It's two.
This is a lobster with a bunch of other stuff. It's sorry. This is Thai crab Claudia. I am so sorry. There is no way for me to explain what any of these dishes are because I'm too shy to pull out the camera when they're actually talking about it.
Tartar, but yours is a beef.
Yes, mine is made out of beetroot because I'm not having meat today. They are having beef tartare. But I did take a photo of the menu, so I will try to put it in here every once in a while.
Flower's so pretty.
It is. Alright, I'm supposed to use my hands and enjoy the texture. Oh my gosh, I'm destroying this. Smoked lobster with warm butter. I am so full. I'm like much too lazy to get up. No, go right ahead.
Wild sea bass, a little courgette and aubergine,
Get discovered.
violet artichoke, and to finish, a red wine reduction.
Wow. Honey parfait with yuzu jam. This is a pre-dessert.
I think it's a palette.
Oh my goodness.
For desserts, you've all got a Grand Marnier souffle here. Correct pronunciation, I think. Some vanilla ice cream alongside. You glaze the top of the souffle with some icing sugar, orange zest.
You see the vanilla bean, the vanilla smell.
Yeah, that's how you know it's a good vanilla ice cream. You still see the vanilla beans along the inside.
So good.
And then I've just got some caramelized orange here just to finish that with.
I know that you're trying to fix me, but I don't wanna be like you. If you wanna take it back to the 50s, maybe I'm not the guy for you. You're dying not to work, but work until you die, you know that's true. Have you thought it through? Cause you love to tell me what to do. Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out, I'll make you regret it. Someone like you should worry about. Maybe it's you who's upside down, and I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. I don't wanna put
Oh my goodness, there's like a dog training thing happening right in the middle of the street. Canine Ambassador, I don't know what it says.
impress the ones you hate, that's so up. Cause everything you own just ends up owning you. So dear society, you suck. Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out, I'll make you regret it. Someone like you should worry about. Maybe it's you who's upside down, and I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it.
day. We're here in Glasgow, but it's our last day in Glasgow. It is our last half day, then we are heading over to Inverness. I am going to try to split up these little trips that we're having into separate videos so it's not so overwhelming like when we did Korea and it was like 40 minutes long or something. So these will probably be a bunch of shorter travel vlogs and I hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, this is it for Glasgow. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have no idea what's going in it. I've honestly not been very conscious about what I've been filming. I'm gonna try to do better for the next leg of the trip and I'll see you all in Inverness. Bye!
Say no.